Hi friends, today we are making gnocchi. Gnocchi is a traditional Italian dish which requires only 3 ingredients: potato, flour and eggs. Today at Desi Eatery we made gnocchi in 2 different shapes and sauces. So let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Also like, comment and share. Now let's make the gnocchi dough. We need 500 gram potato. Make sure to use the dry and fluffy kind. Now boil them and peel off the skin and mash. As you can see, it is dry and fluffy. Now add 1 egg yolk, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and gradually add in 1 cup of flour. Knead into a soft dough and set aside. Sprinkle some flour onto a clean surface. Place the dough and cut it into half. We cut the dough in half because we are making 2 shapes today. Sprinkle some more flour and roll into a thin log. Now roughly cut 1-inch pieces from the dough. Now let's start shaping. Now let's make the traditional shape. Take a fork and gently roll the dough across as shown. As you can see, you have the beautiful shape. Now let's do the second shape. Cut the dough as shown like before. Now dip your finger into some flour and poke to create an indent in the middle. Now it's ready. This isn't easier to do. Our gnocchi is now ready. We have the pillow shape and the traditional shape. Let's boil. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil. Now slowly add the first batch of gnocchi. Gently place the gnocchi one by one, or else the shape will be destroyed. Boil until it starts to float. As you can see, it has started to float to the top. Slowly take them out from the water. Now let's make the chili garlic butter sauce. Add 4 tablespoons of butter into a pan and let it melt. Add the chopped garlic, add the chopped chilies, fry until fragrant. Add 1 teaspoon sugar, salt to taste. Meanwhile, wait for the sugar caramelized in the butter. Finally, add half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now add the gnocchi into the butter sauce. I think the butter sauce really complements the traditional gnocchi. Now toss to coat and our gnocchi in chili garlic butter sauce is ready. Finish it off with some freshly grated cheese. Now let's make gnocchi with bechamel sauce. In a pan on medium heat, add 1 tablespoon butter, add 2 tablespoons minced garlic, fry until fragrant. Add 1 tablespoon flour, cook until the flour has browned. Add 1 cup of milk, half teaspoon oregano, salt to taste, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon black pepper, oh, now that's my favorite part. Add a handful of cheese, about 1/4 cup. Stir until well melted. I have already boiled the other batch of pasta. Now slowly add the gnocchi. I think this shape holds cheesy sauce quite well, as you have a small indent in the middle. Now gently toss to coat and take off heat. Our gnocchi is ready. Garnish with some mixed herbs. Let's taste. Wow, so fluffy and pillowy. I hope you like this recipe.